everybody, and welcome back to another video in the MONECO Advisors Insight series. Welcome to the third week of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month for us here at MONECO. This week we're going to be talking about another important topic, and that's how to rebuild financially after breast cancer treatment. Now, it's entirely possible that you do have some medical debt outstanding from treatment, costs that are associated with treatment that were not covered by your insurance. Unfortunately, medical debt can be a very big debt burden to overcome. It's right now, presently, the #1 contributor to personal bankruptcy here in the United States. If you are faced with medical debt, there are some things that you can consider. One is, believe it or not, you can actually reach out to the medical providers and negotiate with them. Maybe get payment terms or even have them knock off some of what is actually owed. If that doesn't work, or in conjunction with that, you can see if there's any financial assistance available through community-based organizations or other charitable organizations. If you haven't already begun working with a financial advisor, now would be a great time to do that. This financial advisor is not only going to help you get back onto the path to rebuild financially, they're also going to help you continue to make progress towards longer-term financial goals, which are obviously still important. That's it for today. Thanks so much for joining. If you like this video, please be sure to check out the blog post that's going to come out along with it, where we're going to go into a lot more detail on what we actually recommend for how to rebuild financially after breast cancer treatment. Please also consider liking or sharing this video with family and friends and liking it on social media. Thanks so much, and take care.